we're gonna draw and color Pikachu. So to begin with, let's draw the outline. A big circle, 2 more circles on either side. Let's draw the outline as given with the marker pen. Let's make circles for the eyes and a smaller and slightly bigger circle inside the eyes. A triangle for nose and curved lines for mouth. So today we're going to make the famous cartoon character Pikachu. Pikachu has electricity storage pockets on his cheeks. These are the pockets on the cheeks. Let's start painting it. So in order to paint the face of Pikachu, I'm gonna use the lemon yellow color and I'm gonna put a tint of orange in the lemon yellow so that the lemon yellow becomes a nice yellow in color to paint Pikachu's face. Let's start painting now. Starting from the edges, then fill in the color nicely around the eyes, around the cheeks, around the nose. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Be careful at the narrow areas. Fill in the gaps. Now we're gonna paint the cheeks. I'm gonna use a tint of orange in the red color. Let's start painting the cheeks then. Make sure you don't smudge over the outline. And let's paint the cheeks, both of them. These are the magical cheeks of Pikachu, where he stores the electricity. Let's paint the ears and the eyes of Pikachu and the nose. We'll be using a black sketch color. For the ears, be careful. And the eyes. We leave the circles white and paint the rest of it black. We do the same with the other eye. These are the eyes of Pikachu. We're gonna leave the circles white, which are the eyeballs. And now we're gonna paint the nose black too. A small triangular nose of Pikachu and the mouth. Now we're gonna darken the outlines to make a definite shape of the face. We're gonna do the outlinings for the cheeks too. The outlining gives it a perfect shape. Here's our Pikachu! Yay! We all love Pikachu! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.